So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Urja Global share. So about Urja Global, so when we discussed almost 1 week back, so mainly we discussed the technicals. So we have taken the 7 rupees level as the most important thing. So currently we are seeing some little consolidation near the 7 rupees level. So will it be the best buy? So we'll discuss that. And also you can see from the thumbnail that they're also launching their e-Dream car. So electric vehicle car. So already we know that they are in the electric scooter segment as well. I'll show you that in the next slides. So now this particular car segment which will be launched also will be beneficial to the company. So especially in many cities like Delhi, Mumbai, so in those particular regions where the pollution is increasing, so the government themselves, they are planning to launch the electric buses as well. So in Delhi, I guess, so electric buses segment also is ready to be launched. So ultimately even this company, after the electric car segment, so they are also focusing on electric buses as well. So you need to understand very clearly that next generation would be obviously electric vehicles and also renewable energy resources. So 7 rupees is not that a matter for all of us. So investing in small amounts also will generate good amount of returns in future. So we'll discuss completely. We'll also see at which level we can enter. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So you can also see that if you have any doubts that you want to message personally regarding any stock, so you can message me in Instagram. So I am online always. You can message, so quickly I am replying and clarifying all your doubts, whether it may be regarding Magisco or whatever it may be. So if you want to follow there, you can follow and you can message me regarding any stock where you want the levels or there is any execution problem. So everything I'll explain you clearly, and also join the Telegram so that you'll not miss any updates. Okay, so if you go to the website of Urja Global as well, so you can see basically they're currently dealing with three vehicles. So one is Urja Harper, one is Urja E Vespa, and another one is Urja Glide. So these are the three vehicles that are currently in the market for Urja Global. So now this special type of e-Dream car, so that also will be launched. So the launch date is not yet clarified. So once the launch date will be released, so if the model clicks, then definitely it would be a very boost to that particular company. So if you see Tesla, so we know that Tesla is going to be launched in Bangalore. Already everything is set up. So Tesla car, if you see the cost of the price, almost it is around 60 lakhs. So it is into luxury segment. So because of the import cost and everything, so roughly 60 to 65 lakh would be the basic model of Tesla. And if you go to high end models, again it will cross 1 crore. So that much amount could not be affordable by normal people. So basically high class people who are rich, so they can afford that. But for normal people who want to afford electric vehicle, so for them ultimately the companies which manufacture them in India with less cost, so they will be benefited. So one such company which would be benefited here would be Urja Global. So local company, Indian company, especially in car segment, if it enters, and also if it goes to bus segment, so again that will be a secondary income as well, secondary boost. Okay, so analyze all these data. So if you get the time, so make sure you read the articles regarding this electric vehicle segment, so how much potential it has in the future as well. Okay, so basically if you see the shareholding pattern as well, so majorly the stake is present with the public. Okay, you can see roughly around 68% is present with public and 31.6% is present with the promoter. So maximum holding is present with the public ourselves. Okay, we are only having the major stake. After that 31%, we can say decent holding is present by the promoter. So if any new things happen, so we know that we have a official YouTube channel for Urja Global as well. So in that they post some regular updates, but there also you can see they have not released any date regarding the launch of the vehicle, but they are posting the images that this particular e-Dream car will be soon out in the market. So that is what they are saying. So as we get the opportunity, definitely we need to see the share value as well. So ultimately when the company the number of units they're getting sold, ultimately the company will be benefited, and also balance sheet will show some good results. So apart from that, there are various businesses as well, so that also we discussed in a previous video. So now mainly we'll discuss about the electric vehicle segment. And also the minister, our Nitin Gadkari, so he also told that mainly they'll focus on electric vehicles and renewable resources in the coming years. So make sure you keep this one stock into radar. After that we'll discuss another stocks which can also be added. So first you see these two stocks, because they are present at little less values, let's say only 7 rupees, so you can invest in even small portions, so that would be little beneficial. Okay, so now if we see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see 100, you're seeing a little bit of 100% delivery. So somebody is taking some big quantities at the low levels as well. So you should not feel that it is correcting, so I will wait for some time. So you need to do your duty of investing in small quantities, let's say 2000, let's say 2500, so small quantity. So that is, we can say that it's a very decent quantity. And you can see here that there is no traded quantity, so heavy traded quantity is not seen, that is hitting upper circuit, again lower circuit. So it is consolidating in little, we can say slow manner. So you need to understand another important thing, that any stock which is going continuously up, let's say 5%, 5%, so ultimately it also hits the lower circuit, right? So same if you take Alok Industries example, so now we can take Majesco as well. So that has also gone up for to certain extent, and again it has come down. So that much huge movement should not come at a time. So slow and steady movement also should be present. So earlier it used to trade below 1 rupee. Year by year you can see it is going to 4 rupees, again now at 7 rupees. So again it will have a slow and steady movement. So you need to have that patience to hold the stock, then only you can generate some wealth for the long term. Okay, so next when you see returns wise also, so 1 week it has corrected almost 5%, 1 month you can see almost 20% it has corrected. So after that 3 months 70.73, 6 months 160% returns, 1 year 400 plus returns, 3 years you can see 27.3% returns have been given. So you need to give some time and patience to it as well. So since the company is also trying to cope up with the current situations, building electric vehicles especially in car segment, so that would be really beneficial in future as well. Okay, so after that, if we see what are the indicators suggesting, so you can see that money flow index. So clearly you can see it is giving the green indication. So what is that indication? It is telling that it is in oversold region, but you can see RSI is in mid range. So that is showing some potential is present in the future. So when money flow index is going to oversold, definitely you need to search for buying opportunities. So now we'll go to technical charts and we'll see what are the supports as well as resistances. Okay, so this is the 1 week chart of Urja Global. So today you can see it has closed near 7 rupees. So you can say this is very good psychological level as well. So it has closed near 7 rupees. So today also market was little down. So you need to understand that. So see, market also little selling was present. So obviously all the stocks have shown some correction today. Majorly if we see, banks showed little movement, but majorly few banks are down. After that few stocks have given heavy correction as well. So that is obvious. When market is in a little correction phase, you should not panic, but you need to search for buying opportunities. So we discussed some quality stocks in Telegram as well. So if you have joined the Telegram, so you would be having idea regarding which stocks we have discussed. So if you see the current support, clearly you can see that is 7 rupees level. So this is very important, that is 7 rupees level. So after that you can take 6.8. Okay, 6.8 also you can take as the support. So where we know that little gap up opening was seen during those particular phase. If you see here, so this was the one phase, so you can take here. So roughly you can take 6.8 and 7 rupees. Okay, so these are the two major supports. So definitely on Monday, because it is a fresh week, so it will be a crucial week to see how the levels will be respected. So since we can see money flow index is also little bit in oversold region in 1 day chart, so definitely watch for that 7 rupees and 6.8 rupees region. So if it respects that, if it sustains that particular level, then try to add in small quantities. Okay, so apart from that, if you go to 1 day chart, so that is what we're discussing. So 1 day chart, you can see it has gone to oversold region and it is present near the 50 exponential moving average. So this is very important moving average. So whenever it tried to touch that, you can see some retracement was seen. Again, it is back testing that. So on Monday, if it shows any sudden momentum, definitely buy at that particular level. So I'll mention the Telegram if you want that. So don't invest in heavy quantities, so put in decent quantity because we can't predict anything. So if it falls also, you need to be in a position to average that. So don't have that only we need to bear the loss. Even if the loss comes, if you entered in small quantity, again you can average. So ultimately even the amount will be increasing and also the price where you have averaged also will be little decent for long term. Okay, so watch all these terms, and also if you have any doubts regarding any share, do mention in the comment section, and also you can message me in Instagram so that I'll clarify any doubts if you have. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.